My people, no be small thing o. They say that the secret meeting wey Ijele and Ikenga, Uruagu and others dey do for inside their WhatsApp group, how they go come disrupt the peaceful protest of Freeman Nnamdi Kanu. They say they don expose am o. I go play the video, no go waste time, and make you hear wetin him do as he take dey mobilize some Hausa abokis make they come disrupt the protest. You go watch the video. Just stay tuned and watch the full video.
I greet you depending on time zone or anytime I'm coming across this video. So this information, every information I will pass here now is from the enemy's WhatsApp group. So I managed to get into their WhatsApp group. I gathered a lot of information. So I posted this thing. I made a mistake by posting something on my page for them to know that I am into their page. That's the only mistake I made. But now I cannot be posting any information in that page. The information now will be going to all the WhatsApp group I am into, because I am in fact the WhatsApp group I am into a lot of WhatsApp group. So, and I will be posting every information from the WhatsApp group of the enemy's WhatsApp group. Those who have sworn that they don't want Nigeria to work because they are benefiting from the pain and all the impunities that is happening in zoo. So now let me play this first, but let me just tell you this. In case if you are planning to go Abuja, in case if you are planning to go Abuja, let me repeat. In case if you are planning to go Abuja, obuno okute ki ga jide okute iru Abuja idosi somewhere. Obuno osisi ki ga jido osisi ahụ iru ebe ahụ kwadi ofuma. And let me tell you, if you are going to Abuja, make sure that your target should be Delhi. All your target should be Delhi. I am not hiding mouth to say all this one, because they are not hiding mouth to say their own. Let all your target be Udele. In fact, not target any other person. Let all your target be Udele. I have the account numbers of Udele that they are using to contribute money of whatever they are buying, maybe how they are buying weapons and everything. I have the account numbers here. I have all the discussions about everything that is happening in that channel, in that WhatsApp group. Hear this from Udele first. Hear this, and after this we will visit the voice note of Nkaneme Homona, South Africa. So let's hear from Udele first.
Hello, my people, I greet you. Ikenga is going live now. Ikenga is going live on TikTok. Like I said, we are not hiding anything. Any idiot, any toast, any bingo. Wait on that they fire in mama. When you useless generation, they hear nobody they hide anything from you stupid people. They hear me, but when I go collect, if they hear me, you're not they go buy and they go hang down. On a go to collect, on a go to chopper. Very useless set of people. We know they hide any single thing for any motherfucker. Ikenga will
so I have documents they collected from one of his, but I will read this one out. Let me go and let me.
Anyone to know which one is
this one is from that homo that is in South Africa. This is his own voice note here. I have a lot of information, but I cannot be able to read, but I can try to bring out some information from that group. Let's hear from Udele, from Opontu, the one that is homo in South Africa. Sing his own voice.
Please, my people, no need of letting anyone to know which one is your number, whether your number is there or not. All you need to do, if any strange number contacts you, block the person. If somebody send you any kind of form on your phone, hey, there's a meeting, do you want to be block the person? If there is any meeting here, you all know my number, save it or save Ijele's number. We will write you direct. Nobody else. Nobody else. They can't do anything. They are just doing this thing to scare people out. And by the end of the day, we see that some little liver people will be afraid. Don't be afraid. They can.
Listen, I have a lot of numbers of those that in Biafra land supporting their evil agendas. The reason why I will drop their numbers on WhatsApp groups is so that if you can track them. I have their pictures. I will send it out. If you can track them, because you don't want Biafra, you don't want Nigeria to be good. You don't have any reason to be in Biafra land. You don't have, because that is those that I have their numbers here. That is the problem we are having in under abundant swimming. The reason why they are buying innocent Biafran. So I will drop all their numbers, I will drop all their contacts, I will drop all their informations. In fact, after this video, I will flood all the WhatsApp group almost more than 300 WhatsApp group I am into. I will flood it. So that is the only thing I want to let you know now. So let's go. Let's forget about this homo man. Let's go into the one document they took from one office like that. So let's read it out so that for you going to Abuja, have it in mind. These documents they have collected now, they will use it to test their weapon they are gathering money to purchase. So if you are going to Abuja, prepare very well. Range yourself very well. Don't say you're going for peaceful protest. It will not end in peace. I am just informing this because I am into the enemy's WhatsApp group. Don't tell me that you are going to Abuja for peaceful protest. Range with people where they are Abuja. Range with people with these days. Range with people in Abuja. But don't wake up, man. Prepare yourselves well. Obro kute kiji. You don't see a bug at the digging so. Obro makiji. To see a bug at digging so. Makana this protest in Abiana. Obro the protest hanya. For me, from what I am gathering, I noticed that a lot of things is going to happen. What a pro with Ganya? What don't wait in coma? As a banana, Barako than Neje. Do say your things about Gade. O say the Kibru de defend don't wait because Zoo Aquadola the enemies. Zoo Aquadola the enemies. Do not think you are going there for ordinary matching. This is I can just tell you is a war between light and darkness. You that is supporting that Nigeria should be good is light. Those that is supporting that Nigeria will not be good, that they don't want Nigeria to be good because they are benefiting from the buying and all the impunities that is happening in Nigeria. All those Nigeria agents, they are the darkness. So don't allow them to use you. These people are preparing. These people are preparing. I will read out account number they are contributing money to. They are using the account number of Ijele, contributing this money. So, in coma, prepare yourself. I will review the account number here as I am speaking. The account number and the name that is with the account number. These people are preparing. Do not say I do not tell you. You that is coming across this video, make sure that you share this video. Make sure that you share this video out. Share this video. Share this video. It is very, very important that you share this video. Share it, let it go viral. So that you will know what is about to happen. So that you will prepare, because the movement, maybe where Nigeria is going to go on fire, will start from this movement. Where Nigeria will start go on fire, will start from this movement. Do as don't say you are going to peaceful protest. I did not see any peaceful protest. Nigeria government, the zoo government have prepared their irats. Ikengu Rago is there. Udele is there. A lot of them, I have their pictures, is there. I have their numbers, is there. The numbers, if you even manage to get me one-on-one, then although my number is on social media, I am not hiding my number. I will send you their numbers. I will send you their pictures. I will send you every information concerning them. You understand? So let's read this. According to this thing you are seeing here now.
So if you look the headline of the paper that is up there now, you will see what they write. Say rescue Aligbo. Rescue Aligbo. So Ikulu down now. Don't worry. The document now, make it so that you can read for yourself and see what the content of the papers. The paper you see on my screen now. So this is a paper which Ijele wrote to the DSS office, FCT, Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. You understand? So that thing is for them to disrupt, for DSS to allow them to disrupt the protest that is coming up on 20th of this month. And I have informations, and because I am into their WhatsApp group where they are contributing money, purchasing weapons, so that they can confront those that is coming for the peaceful protest. So I am giving these informations now for you to get ready. If you are going to Abuja,
get ready. Do not look and think it will be peaceful protest. It will not be that peaceful, you think. They are contributing money, and they are contributing a lot of money, so that many of them will come from different places and bring whatever, all the weapons they are, according to witness I have seen in that WhatsApp group. So if you are going for that protest, make sure that you prepare well. Make sure that you get ready. You understand? Make sure that you get ready. If you cannot take a weapon from any part of Nigeria where you are to Abuja, you people should range to people that based in Abuja, to prepare well, because Ijele and his group are preparing to confront those that will come for the protest on 20th of this month. So the paper there, I will make it so that you'll be seeing it well here, and I will also make it, post it on ordinarily on my YouTube channel, so that you will see everything and read it and know the content of the document, what they wrote to DSS to DSS office Abuja against what is about to happen. So share this video, give another person, so that everybody will listen and watch and see what is going on from Ijele and his own group that they are recruiting to attack people that is coming for peaceful protest in Abuja very soon. So don't forget to share this video. You understand? You can see the video here now. You can see the paper now. You can cool down and read the paper. Read the paper well, so that you know what it contains. You understand? Because Ijele have sworn, and his group. And what is my problem is that most of the group of Ijele are Igbos. Most of those that is supporting Ijele are Igbos. Most of them, because I am into that WhatsApp group, I have seen their names. Most of those people that is supporting Ijele are Igbos. Why is it like that? In case if you are going to Abuja, Kwadofuma, and focus where Ijele is. Focus where he is, so that any slight mistake, if he try to attack you, attack him back. You understand? If Ijele try to attack you, make sure that you attack, and if you want to attack him, make sure that you attack him in a hard way. So that's it. Share this video, give another person.
Convener. That is who is preparing this thing is Chick about the frontliner, about the person that is fronting this. That is Ijele. In case if you are going to Abuja, when they will come to disrupt, I know that their numbers will be very, very small. When they will come to disrupt that which I know that they will come with weapons. Your target should be Ijele. Your target should be Ijele. Because I know that this thing may result to another thing, because Zoo are planning to send them, and they are preparing to come with weapons. I am telling you this thing based on what I find out in their group, in their WhatsApp group. I am into their WhatsApp group as I speak. So this particular thing now, document now, I will send it on my Facebook. Download it, share it to anybody you know. Let them see their plans. I am into their WhatsApp group, and I have played one or two voice notes here. Now let me read out the account number they are using to all the account number they are using. Let me read it out. The account number they are using. The account number is Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank PLC. The account number, let me call out although I won't call out the account number with reason. Makana other around now, the enemies will begin to put money into the account number. But the account number name is Chizoromu Harrison of Facebook. So that is the account number name. That is 2210 Kojerebe Bank. Because around now, enemies will begin to put money into that account. One Jagaban transferred 50,000 into the account. One Jagaban, they call him Jagaban, transferred 50,000 into the account. So that is it. If you are going to Abuja on 20th, any date they fix that, make sure that you because this movement, you don't know where it will, you don't know when it will end, you don't know what it will result. Do not fold your arms and said it is a peaceful protest. Do not let anybody take you shine. Don't let anybody take you shine. Share this video, give any other person. Make this video go viral, because I am into their WhatsApp group. They can never remove me in that WhatsApp group unless they collapse and delete that WhatsApp group. That is only when I can leave that WhatsApp group. If not, then cannot. As far as I have Ijele phone number now, as far as I have Ijele phone number, I can still call out Ijele phone number. As far as I have Ijele phone number, any WhatsApp created by him and upon to Nurago, I will be there. Let me call out the Ijele number. I can just call out that one without. Let me call out. The number is 070 186228. I will not call the number again, because the criminals, enemies will begin to contact that number. If you want the complete number of Ijele, contact me. I am going to give you. If you want a complete number of South Africa, contact me. I will give you. I have a lot of their numbers. I have a lot of them, including people that is in homeland, which the number I will release, those will begin to track them. Will begin to track them. I will do it. So share this video. Give any other people. Thank you and God bless you.
People, now so it happen. I will say more bring I can't give you. Now I want play this video for you. May you watch what Ijele they do to Indibo. Watch this video.
Yeah, we are here as Nigerians. We are here to represent our country. We will not let anyone divide us. We will not be united by terrorism. Every Nigerian is a Nigerian. This has nothing to do with tribe or ethnicity. This is about the country. What is right? What is just? No, we are against the killing of our policemen. We are against the killing of our military. We are against the killing of anyone that is putting on the uniform to serve and protect, which is what these people, against what these people are. And as Nigerians, we will remain Nigerian, one Nigeria for life.
So as a Nigerian, you demand for justice?
Of course, justice. Justice for those that, of course, justice for those that were killed, justice for those that they buried alive, justice for those that they cannibalized, justice for those that they made to leave their homes. They kill people, bury them alive, and now we are supposed to do what? Fight ourselves over a criminal? It's not going to happen. Okay?
Pity why I get to tell this guy is self journey. I bet when I share this video, you get why.